Hey everybody, Zach at River Valley Marine here in Red Wing, Minnesota. Stick with me. We are going to take a good detailed look at the Cobalt R6. This is one of the most impressive 26-foot boats in the industry. And in the Cobalt world, it starts as being the smallest boat with an enclosed head, a huge differentiator versus the R4 or the smaller CS models. And truly, we're going to start right here on the back of the boat. Take a look at this platform design. You have the patented swim step that flips down into the water, makes boarding very easy. You're going to see the JL audio in the back, that beautiful light up Cobalt R6 logo in the back. Non-skid or C-deck flooring throughout. Even look at the small details like how they do the stainless steel rails around the corners. That's a huge deal. We talk about Cobalt, we talk about the quality throughout the boat and how the boats are built, the reputation that they lie their hats on, and it's no doubt that we can look at features throughout. As we are back here on the back of the boat, you'll notice small details like the flag, the cup holders. You have remote for the stereo controls. Over here on the starboard side, you got a plug-in for the built-in battery charger. Lots of great features. And then let's talk about this, the beautiful sun pad in the back. The backrest can actually get pushed forward to make this huge lounge area right here in the back of the boat, but there's also a built-in integrated backrest for more vertical sitting. And this works perfect if you're putting on water skis, or if you're feeding the tow rope out, or if you just want to sit back and enjoy the day. And as you can imagine, this is certainly a luxury pleasure craft, but it does have water sports in mind. You're going to notice that beautiful tower with the tow point up top. So if you're wakeboarding, kneeboarding, all the fun stuff that way. And if you want a water ski, it has a removable pylon right here in the back for skiing. Very convenient, easy to remove. Just gives it kind of that all-in-one boat. You've got all the luxury and comfort, but yet you got water sports at the tip of your fingers. So we're going to jump on board. You're going to notice the walkthrough, but right when you go to the walkthrough, look at this storage compartment. Great for putting lines and fenders in, held up with a strut. Stainless hardware, gasket sealed, channeled and drainable. Beautiful storage compartment right at the transom. As we step inside the boat, that caramel carbon color combo really stands out. Absolutely gorgeous, gives it just a very rich feel. Notice the cockpit table does have the teak inlay, stainless cup holders, stainless bar underneath, table leg if you will. Work your way over and look at some of the fine details. Take a look at even how they do the undercowlings. Those are fiberglass molded pieces inlaid. JL sound, you got stainless grab rails, 6 cup holders right here on this side, along with 4 in the table, 3 in the back. Work your way over to the starboard side. Look at that wraparound combing. They finish it all the way back to where you walk through the boat. These are small features that really set Cobalt apart. Cup holders tucked underneath. Beautiful stitch work throughout the boat. And if we work our way over here to the passenger side, you're going to notice this big beautiful seat. Now this is unique because this can flip-flop. Flip the backrest forward and you've got backwards facing seating. This is a wonderful spot if you are the spotter, especially when you're doing water sports, to be able to sit back, relax, and watch the activities behind you. And if you want to sit higher, it does have a flip-up bolster, so they did not forget about that, even if you're the passenger. Also have a nice armrest over here. Cup holders, notice how they're down out of the wind, and there's 2 different sizes. One smaller one and one bigger one for those big Yetis. JL speaker down underneath. You've got nice little cabinetry there. And of course, I mentioned the head earlier. And as we look at this, you're going to notice it is not just an afterthought. Look at the detail work inside here. That is gorgeous. You've got a Dometic electric flush head, not just a porta potty. Nice flooring in there, all fiberglass lined flooring. Good looking lighting. That is a beautiful head compartment on a 26-foot boat. So let's work our way over to some of the fun stuff here where we look at the Cobalt Helm. This is top tier. It starts with that deluxe beautiful bucket seat, flip up bolster there. You're going to notice the wraparound combings all the way around. You've got small features that are very convenient and easy. Power arch controls are right here. Windlass anchor controls, your Volvo Penta display along with your electric Lenco trim tabs off to your right hand side. Right above that, wireless cell phone charger and holder. And then we get to the dash where you have the dual Garmin touchscreens. Everything you need is at the push of a button. Now you do have redundancy. Things like your horn, bilge blower, bilge pumps, basic lighting needs are all underneath. And from there you've got Fusion head unit controls, tilt steering. Look at that wheel. That is awesome. The stitching, the stainless inlays, color matched, that caramel and black color combo. And look at even the stitch work and the dash work. That eyebrow is gorgeous. The stitch work is very nice. And you've got the 90-degree squared window. Now that's really important because it actually gives you more interior volume. And as the driver, it's very nice. From there, let's work our way forward. We'll just keep rolling. Work our way to the bow section. This is beautiful. It's deep, it's comfortable, it's very well finished. You're going to notice the stainless grab rail, stainless cleats around the outside. Again, beautiful stitch work, beautiful lighting. Cup holders down underneath, USB plug-ins down underneath, flip down armrest. Very deep seating. Hard to see that in video, I understand, but it is quite the deal up here. For a 26-foot boat, this is a beautiful bow section. So we went through the basics. Now let's go through kind of more of the detailed stuff on what makes a Cobalt, and it starts with crazy stuff like this in-floor storage. Take a look at this. You've got not one, not two, but three in-floor storage compartments in this boat. Those are all fiberglass lids, all held up with struts, all gasket sealed, all channeled, all drainable. Now you look underneath, this compartment and this compartment flow together to be one. The forward compartment is separated. That is a really awesome design. And these are big, they're deep, they're wide, easy to access. Amazing spot to have in-floor storage throughout the whole bottom of the boat. And as we work our way to the bow section, look at the storage. Look at the storage in the front. This is huge. Notice how it's all lit up. There's lighting in there. You have flip-up hinges that are very nice and easy, held up with struts. Underneath the driver there's the helm is the cockpit cover all rolled up in there nice. But big, beautiful storage in the bow of the R6. And if we go all the way to the bow, we can't forget this. 26-foot boat with windlass, a full chute anchor, so it goes right out. It's not sitting on a pulpit. You have all your electrical controls in here. All your chain is sitting down there. You have controls back here. This is really cool way that they do the windlass, fully accessible, and yet it's concealed and out of the way. Beautiful lid on that, held up with a strut. That is a top tier design that you find on the R6. And as we work our way back to both the port and the starboard side, you have storage. Now over here to the starboard side, nice big storage spot. Comes with that beautiful big soft-sided Cobalt cooler. All again held up with a strut. Very easy to access. Now over here to the port side, huge storage. Very deep. Again, all lit up. You can see we have the Cobalt bag. There is a garbage can down in there. Fire extinguisher. Battery switch. Now take a look at how they do this. All your breakers and everything are labeled down below. This is how you build a boat, making it nice and easy to understand what everything is. Beautiful storage areas in the Cobalt R6. Definitely something that should not go unnoticed. And an area that you certainly can't overlook with the Cobalt is their motor compartments. Look at the size and the accessibility to how they do this. Look at the beautiful lid they do with it all gasket sealed, held up with two struts. Look at the size. You've got this boat powered with the 350 V8 from Volvo. That's an aluminum head, aluminum block, aluminum manifold motor, all closed cooled. But the accessibility to everything is so easy. Everything is well labeled. You can see the charger down there, batteries off to your port and starboard side on both sides. That is a good looking motor compartment on this R6. So that there concludes a quick video walk around of the Cobalt R6, an absolutely stunning boat inside and out. Again, this boat here with that navy blue and red stripe, I might have bypassed that earlier. The caramel carbon interior, everything just giving this boat the utmost eye appeal. Again, I am Zach at River Valley Marine here in Red Wing, Minnesota. Be glad to answer any questions you have on the Cobalt R6. We can certainly set up a time to view. Please call, text, or email at any time. And again, we thank you for taking the time to look at the Cobalt R6.